on demand still worth it in 2025? Let's talk about it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Returning subscriber, welcome back. So the question is print on demand still worth it in 2025? Now, I'm newly getting into print on demand myself, so I'm just now getting my feet wet, but it's something that I definitely want to get into. I've been doing a little bit of research on my downtime. So in today's video, I'm actually going to see if I can answer that question. I'm going to go over the pros and the cons and what is the best beginner-friendly software to actually start print on demand today. So why is print on demand so popular? So print on demand has actually been around for quite some time, and I feel like it really blew up around COVID because everyone was home and people were shopping online. So people around that time that were like starting their business and doing print on demand, they made thousands upon thousands upon thousands of dollars doing print on demand. So the fact that you can start a business without actually having an inventory, without having the mugs, the shirts, the tumblers. So you are just basically the designer and you upload it to the supplier. And what the supplier is going to do is they're going to print it, pack it, and ship it. You literally don't even have to touch the product or anything. So that's why people really kind of got into it around that time and even before COVID. Now I'm like, should I get into print on demand? Because I don't see any risk involved up front. And that's what I like. So let's fast forward to 2025. Like, print on demand actually is doing really well, especially on those marketplaces like Amazon, even Walmart, Etsy, of course. You know, this print on demand all over Etsy. People are always looking for new and innovative t-shirts, cups, gifts, whatever the case may be for their family, for themselves. So people are always looking for the new thing, new design, what kind of catches their eye. So in the midst of trying to learn print on demand, now you have to figure out what's the best software to use to integrate it to Shopify, to Etsy, to Amazon, so that when a customer makes the purchase, it goes directly to the supplier. The supplier know exactly what size, color. They actually print the design, ship it, pack it, and send it on its way. So based off of my research, this is why I've been actually introducing you guys slowly to Kittl, because Kittl is actually the most beginner friendly print on demand platform currently. So I'm going to go ahead and hop into desktop mode and log into my Kittl account and give you guys a little snippet of the Kittl software, everything that they offer, new things they actually implemented that's going to help you guys create things faster and more fluently, and new promotion that they have currently for new users. So let me go ahead and hop on my computer. All right, you guys, so I am on the home screen of my Kittl account, and just so you guys are aware, I am on the expert plan. So it does come with a lot more than the free version, obviously, but you can most definitely utilize the free version just to get a feel of the software and see if you actually enjoy it. So Kittl actually offers so many templates, so many things, so many fonts, brand kits, whatever assistance you need into creating or designing something, they actually have it. And then you can see at the top here, they have merchandise, marketing, social media, stationery, branding, business covers, things of that nature. So you have a full list of things you can kind of go through and see what actually caters to whatever you're trying to create. Anytime Kittl actually launches anything new, you can go over to the blog section and scroll down, and they have multiple options here, like what's new, print on demand. They have designs, vintage, tutorials for you guys in case you get stuck on something. So let's go ahead and click on the new tool that they actually implemented called Nano Banana. So Nano Banana is an advanced AI image generator, and from September 29th to October 3rd, it's unlimited to all pro and expert users. That means no limits, just full creative freedom to make as many stunning designs as you want. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a design here. ChatGPT is now built right inside of the Kittl editor, you guys. And you know I love some ChatGPT. So I'm going to go ahead and create a smart board right here. And if you go over to this section right here, you can click on ChatGPT, and it lets you know how long it takes to generate. So it says 30 seconds. For Nano Banana, it's 15 seconds. And then ChatGPT image HD, that's 60 seconds. So I'm going to click on ChatGPT, and I'm going to say, create a cute cat sitting on window ledge. Looking out the window. I'm going to say surrounded by plants. I don't know why I'm in my, I know it's fall, but I am into like greenery for some reason. I don't know what's going on with me. So since ChatGPT is now implemented inside of Kittl, you can brainstorm your ideas, generate your text, and design all in one place without even leaving the app. So anytime that you have a place to where you can do everything inside of one place, that's already a plus. All right, so went ahead and generated me a cute little kitty cat staring out the window surrounded by plants. And that looks really cute. I like it. Now, I know AI is like a love and hate relationship between certain artists, but AI is a tool, and most of the softwares that we are using these days have AI implemented into them, and it is not a bad thing, you guys. AI is not a bad thing. It's there to help you generate. It's trying to bring your creations to life in your mind, because some people have the image in their mind, but they just can't put it on paper. That's what AI is for me, and hopefully for everyone else. Okay, so now that we went ahead and tried the ChatGPT feature, let's go ahead and switch over to Nana Banana. And let's hit generate again. Okay, it gave me a more realistic look, which I really do like. I actually like this one better than the ChatGPT image that they generated for me. Oh, I love the reflection. It's giving realistic. It's giving real. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So Nana Banana is actually like top notch. So since we are discussing print on demand, I'm going to go ahead and go back to my home screen. And I'm going to click on a new project. So once you select a new project, it's going to give you some listings up here on what you would like to create as far as your project. So I'm going to click on print on demand, and immediately it's asking you, where are you going to be advertising this particular item? So they actually have it integrated with Amazon Merch, Printful, Printify, Redbubble. Once you click on the actual company you'll be working with as far as your print on demand, for example, I'm going to select Printify, and I'm going to click create. So since they have that option, this means that you can actually create and design, sync it straight to your print on demand products, push them live to your store without any extra steps. No more downloading, re-uploading, and wasting time. It is all seamless, you guys. I'm going to choose this, for example. This looks a little crazy, but I'm just going to choose it because it just stood out to me over here on the left. So Kittl has never done this before. So Nana Banana is literally free for 5 days between September 29th and October 3rd. This is the perfect moment to upgrade to a paid plan and to unlock full creative control. Make sure you use my code down in the description box below to receive 25% off that plan. So let's go ahead and talk about Printify. Now, I'm familiar with Printify. I have used them before when I first started my business and I opened up my Etsy shop, and they are fairly easy. So to integrate Kittl with Printify and then link to Etsy, it's like smooth. It's a smooth transition, trust me. So I'm just going to just quickly go over some pricing with you guys just so you guys can know what to expect. So for the free version, you have 5 stores per account, unlimited product designs. So you're thinking, okay, so if it comes with all of this, why would I pay for the premium version? So with the premium version, it actually discounts the product so that you have more money in your pocket if you get a sale. So you get up to 20% discount on all products. You got 10 stores per account, unlimited products, and then order management with Printify Connect. So you have that support. Just starting off, obviously, you guys are probably going to go for the free version just to get a little feel of everything. And then once you probably start to kind of see the pricing, which I'm going to go ahead and give you an example here. Let me go to their catalog. So they offer a wide range of things. They have embroidery, t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, magnets, stickers, supplement bottles, cell phone cases, anything that you can literally print on, they have. So I'm going to click on a t-shirt, for example. It does say it's new. So it's basically letting you know that the lowest price that the seller can offer for the shirt is $16. But if I have the premium version, it will only cost $14. It lets you know how much it costs to ship this to the customer. Now, you may want to charge the customer, $6 or $7. So you're not in the red when it comes to shipping. So you have to take into account how much they are going to cost to print your product, ship it to them, and then how much you're going to charge so that you are in the green. It's fairly simple. It's not very technical or hard to even get into Printify or print on demand. I guess it just boils down to what you want to sell, what your target audience, and what your niche is. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the pros and the cons that I've gathered from starting a print on demand business. And by the end of this video, you can go ahead and make your decision if it's something that you would like to actually start today. Okay, so the first on my pros list is how low the startup cost is. There's no need to buy expensive printers, presses, stock inventory. You only pay when the customer orders. There are no inventory risks. You don't have to worry about unsold products taking up space, and there is a wide product variety. You can sell shirts, mugs, posters, stickers, and more without actually owning the equipment. Also, it's easy to expand your product catalog quickly. So since the print-on-demand providers handle all the printing, packaging, shipping, and so on and so forth, you can focus more on the design and marketing. Also, think about the flexibility. It's great for testing new ideas or niches without actually putting your money up front. So think about the global reach. Many print-on-demand services ship worldwide, so you can literally sell internationally. So let's go ahead and talk about the cons. So there are a lower profit margin for you. So since the provider is taking care of the production and shipping, you have less money in your pocket. Also, you have less control over the quality. So you don't physically handle the product before the customer gets it. So if mistakes are made, you won't know it until the customer actually reaches out to you and they've already received the product. Sometimes you can encounter slower shipping times. Depending on the supplier, delivery might not be as fast as Amazon Prime level speed. So just make sure the customer has realistic expectation when it comes to your shipping methods. Also think about the high competitions, like marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon are flooded with print-on-demand sellers. So standing out requires effort, creativity, and time on your part. You also have limited branding options. So some providers don't allow full customization of packaging or inserts. They may let you include like a thank you card, but it's of their choice. Me personally, I enjoy branding my products because I have full control over the look and aesthetics when the customer actually opens their packages. So that's just for me. And lastly, on my cons list is the reliance on third parties. So if your print-on-demand suppliers has delays or issue, it directly impacts your business. So let's revisit that question. Is print-on-demand worth it in 2025? I honestly think so. I don't see any downfall into starting a print-on-demand business because if you start Kittl with the free plan, you do Printify the free plan, the only thing you would have to do is find some type of platform or marketplace that's offering free. And I already gave you guys one of those tools, which is Big Cartel. You can literally start building your website completely free. Etsy used to be free, but now they actually are charging people to start an Etsy shop. So if you are deciding to actually go that route, just keep that in mind. You actually have full creative control on how to put all of your images and art on top of multiple products. You could put the same art on a cup, a t-shirt, some stickers, a tumbler, anything of that nature. You can literally make multiple sales off of one image. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And of course, I always recommend you guys to take time out your day to do your own research to see if this is something you would actually like to start yourself. And again, thank you guys so much for listening and watching. I will talk to you guys on my next video, so happy crafting.